God it's Friday. Thank goodness it's Friday, because it gives you the chance this weekend to actually get on with it and start. You know, that's the thing. If when you look at the Twitter feeds, you see not only the incredible talks we've had today here all day, but just throughout the whole country, in all the business and IP centres, in the libraries right the way across Britain. And if you just think, if everybody attending who had this idea that really brought them here in the first place thought, that's it, this is the kick-off point, I'm going to give it a go, because what have I got to lose? And they could actually change their life by taking that very first step. So hopefully, enough of you will not think, oh, it's Saturday, I'm going to laze around and watch TV because it's going to rain, and the England game isn't on, but the Wales game's still on. But you'll actually just grasp that opportunity and make a start. And actually, you know, when I think back to Cambridge Satchel in the early days, if your startup idea revolves around a product, you could have your website up and running before midnight. You know, that's the thing that so many people stop and they think, well, I haven't got the exact right name yet, or I haven't got the font right, you know, I haven't got my logo right. Cambridge Satchel logo was done on Word. You know, I mean, there's loads of brand agencies that I've heard take loads of credit for it, you know, since then, but actually they weren't there in the kitchen that night. I definitely remember it. And so that was started, and it was done on Word. Whether your business succeeds is just going to be down to how much you believe in it and how good your product or service is. So you have no excuse. Get started and do it. But before you do that, you all have to say a fantastic big thank you to Isabel, Claire, the incredible team here, but the incredible team at all of the business and IP centres right away across the country. It's the best kept secret, you know, and it shouldn't be a secret, because what's offered through these centres is just incredible. So make use of it, and if you can, just go out and tell loads of other people how brilliant it is, so that then we can have loads more startups, whether we're in Europe or not. So thank you, everybody.